in the time of in the recent past in Saharanpur in India, there was a argument between the two communities, the Muslim community and the Hindu community, about a piece of land upon which a masjid was built. The Hindu community said this land belongs to us. The Muslim community says no, the masjid is built upon it, this land belongs to us. Anyway, the matter went to the court. And that time the judges were the British. An Englishman was the judge because British was ruling. So the Englishman asked them that, do you all have a neutral person that can decide amongst you two? So they said yes. The Hindus said, there's Mufti Muzaffar Hussain, rahmatullahi, a pious man who was present at that time, said if he says that this masjid, this land belongs to the Muslims, we accept. But until he doesn't say that, we will stand upon our argument that this land belongs to us. So the Muslims were happy. They said our Sheikh, has been appointed to make the decision. And obviously he's going to decide in the favor of the Muslims. So he was brought into the court. So this Englishman, the judge asked him that, have you heard the arguments of both sides? He said yes. He says, what is your opinion? Whose land is this? He says that this land, according to my judgment and according to my research, it belongs to the Hindus, it does not belong to the Muslims, although there is a masjid built upon it. So the Muslims were enraged, they were angry. They said, how did you make a decision against us? They said, I am not allowed to lie. I'm not allowed to give a false testimony. In reality, this was their land. It was the Muslims that had usurped it. So the Englishman, the judge, said that today Muslims have lost the argument and Islam has won. Islam has achieved its goal, but Muslims have lost. So we as Muslims, no matter if it goes against us, stick on the straight path. That is why we say, Ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim. And sometimes we see children lying to parents, parents lying to children, spouses lying to each other. What does it lead to? Nothing besides chaos.